Hello everyone. Okay, so today I'm going to show you some of the benefits with the triangular shaped stones. I got a really nice big triangular shaped stone. It's basically almost like not a perfect triangle, but it's very triangular. And why are they so good when you want to move them? Basically because you always take the top part, you can't really do anything else, and that makes pretty much 2/3 of the weight is always in the bottom, and that makes this rock pretty easy to move compared to if it would be in a different shape, like a rectangular one, for example. It's more difficult. So what I do then is I'm not going to bother to go straight. I would do like a zigzag pattern, and basically just to do the minimum amount of effort. I always just take it like this. I can go that way if I want, but now I want pretty much end up there. So I keep on zigzagging my way towards the part of the wall where I want to end up. And it's pretty amazing actually how effortless this is. It's actually not that heavy, but I want to end up there, so maybe I should be a little bit greedy and go this way. One more flip, and then okay, do like this. And find where I'm going. Okay, now I'm making a turn. Can't see the up anymore. How fast? Pretty much out. And then you got the bumps in the ground. They can be tricky. Almost like a trap when you flip your stone down to a little bit of a hole, then it could turn into really difficult to get him away from it. But this part, it's just fairly easy. Alright. Here's where I'm going. Pretty much that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe we take a round one next time. But it's amazing how easy it is when you got the right shape. And I think not all rocks, but many of the rocks actually have a good way and a bad way to flip them back, you know, the way you want to go. You don't want to lift the heavy side. You can always twist, if you can twist the rock and then keep on flipping the light side towards you on top,